Jane Chandler raises the rarest cranes in the world, but she can't go anywhere near them without wearing this disguise.
We don't want them to become accustomed to people and familiar with people. So the entire process is done with what we call a costume. It's a large white sheet, basically, or poncho with a hood over us so that they don't see people. We don't talk around them, and we minimize our time spent with the birds.
Named after their unusual calls, these whooping cranes can't get used to human contact. If they did, they might lose their natural instincts and not find a mate or reproduce. The largest birds in North America, they were all but driven to extinction in the 1800s, chased from their natural habitat by pioneers looking for farmland. By the 1940s, only 24 were left.
All whooping cranes alive today are traced back to those individuals that were alive at that point. So the birds went through a really small, tight genetic bottleneck and lost a lot of their genetic diversity. That's been shown with research.
Nearly 600 whooping cranes are alive today, half of them in the wild and the rest in captivity. But experts say a sustainable population would need 1,000 wild birds, a level researchers are struggling to reach.
We think that the reason the reproduction has been so poor is that actually the birds in the original release site are subject to a lot of sort of harassment by biting flies, to the extent that they actually can't sit on their nests.
To escape the flies, these whooping cranes will be taken to a new conservation area in Louisiana, along with 23 other captive-bred birds. Researchers hope to see the first nests and first chicks by next spring.